I guarantee. No, I knew. What is that? What is that? What is that? What the frick? Is that the thing we used against the tyrant?
Rocket launcher? Really?
Yes. What the frick? Oh, what the frick? Oh no, no! What is wrong with you? You're just doing this for fun.
Jill, you okay?
You're a freaking sadist.
Are you shitting me? I thought you killed it.
Me too.
Sir! Oh my god! It makes freaking Mr. X look like a little puppy dog.
Hunker down. Head back towards the station.
And lead him right to you?
It's okay. Trust me.
You better know what you're doing, you asshole. How about kiss? You asshole! You go that way. How did we get the? How do we get back to the station again? No! Yes! 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 No! Haha! Thank God this man's a psychopath. This man is a monster. He's a lunatic. He's doing this. This is too much. This is too much, man. Leon has seen nothing that compares to this trauma. Oh, that was stupid. Okay, I frickin' heck, man. Frickin' heck. It was this gate. It was this gate. It was this gate. Coming up. Asshole! Old asshole! Haha. Hi. Still don't like you.
Go. Go!
Come on, forget about him!
Oh my gosh.
Come on. Let's get out of here.
Oh gosh, guys. We're safe. We're safe. We're safe for now.
Carlos, I know we didn't get off to a great start, but thanks for the save.
Still don't like you.
You saved my ass first. You're a hell of a lot braver than me.
Move your fat ass out of my way.